So, guys, welcome to Leaves and Lungs. So, today I'm going to discuss some important topics for your upcoming prelims exams. So, the topic is going to be about on the Indian State of Forest report that is released on the month of December during 2019 for the current year. So, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to know there is actually a 0.5% of increase in the total forest cover for this year when you compared with the 2017 year. So the report is actually a biennial year. That is, it is get released only once in 2 years and is released by Forest Survey of India. Okay, so just remember this very crucial for your eliminating options. And the major facts that they have put out is the top three states that shows increase in the forest area are like all the three are in South India. Just remember this: Karnataka tops the list, followed by Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. And also they have assessed some important numbers, like according to the area wise largest forest covers in the country. So the largest forest covers, like they like goes in this way. That is, Madhya Pradesh tops the list with the total area under the forest cover, and Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Maharashtra. Okay, so just remember, so these are the states that have the largest area of forest covers under their belt. And also in terms of like the ratio according to their geographical area. So compare this. So this is the state of Mizoram. So yeah, 85% of their region is covered by forest. So this is what they are trying to say. So they are putting comparisons to the proportion to their land area, but not according to their size of their forest. Okay, so this is the actual like data they have given. So Mizoram with 85% of the total land is covered by forest, followed by Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur, and Nagaland. So all are northeastern states. And the next thing is also they have put up some interesting things about the mangrove forest also. So mangrove forest law. So if you are preparing like hard enough, then you should be knowing it is mostly found around the coastal region, especially around the coastal states of West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha. Okay, so these are the main mangrove growing areas, and also Gujarat possesses some rich mangrove forest also. So, like according to their report, they have published, Gujarat has gained 37 kilometers, square kilometers of mangrove forest. Maharashtra has also gained, and Odisha has also gained. See, the overall trend of the mangrove forest for this year is on the upward trend. Okay, so the total increase of about 54 square kilometers. So, of the 54 square kilometer, Gujarat tops the list. Okay, and also they have put up some interesting facts regarding just the bamboo bearing area of the country. And also bamboo shows an upward trend. Just remember the trends alone, you don't need to remember the datas. Just know the trends because you could be end up with some basic one liners. And also for the first time they have categorized the wetlands that is present within the forest areas. Okay, they are not comparing it with the original wetland that is present in the open, but they are comparing like the special wetlands that is present inside the forest areas, which is much more hazardous tasks to like conduct the survey. So totally they have found that 3 point area of the areas within the reserved forest area has been covered with wetlands. Okay, so this is one of the significant point they've added this year. And apart from all the tree cover, forest cover, they have also mentioned carbon stocks and forest types, and also the varying biodiversity. And important is they have also given the fire prone areas and the fire monitoring. And also they have given about forest covers in different slopes and altitude. So the highlighted points are very crucial for your prelims, because this is the first ever time they have included the forest fire monitoring and also forest covers in different slopes and altitude, which is very much crucial if you like, if UPSC gives up questions like this. And for the first ever attempt, they have also given the species richness. Okay, species richness means like what kinds of species lives in the forest and what kinds of biodiversity exist. So this according to the Shane and Wiener index. So just remember, so sometimes you could be asked randomly also, because you never know, UPSC tests on whatever subjects they want. Okay, and they have also given data of about non-forest timber produce and fire-prone forest area. Like according to the data, they are given almost 24% of the forest in India are like fire prone this year. Okay, and also they have given a data on five major invasive species in each state and union territories. Okay, so sometimes they would give like all major invasive. No, it's not all. It's like five, and in each state and union territory they have like published the data also. So these data are not very much crucial because there is not any increasing or decreasing trend, and UPSC doesn't ask on those specific numbers usually. The first time they used ortho rectified data. So just remember, the first time wherever I mentioned it, UPSC usually test on these kinds of areas. So ortho rectified data, and so all these kinds of the organization uses these data which we published in the forest report for their planning and scientific management of the forest. So just remember, each and everything that I've put up here is one of the critical prelims important topics, so just go through it carefully. And the satellite that is used in this conducting task is resource 2, so which is a remote sensing satellite from the list data. Okay, so this can capture images or pictures up to close of about 23.5 meters, which is very much accurate for this kind of statistical reports. And there is also an increase in the carbon stock in the forest. So this is also they are given. Just remember the trend alone, you don't need to remember the numbers.